Welcome, today in front of me XIAOMI 11T Pro, and I'll show you how to disable click launch on your device. So first you should go to the settings and scroll down to the additional settings. Now you will see here the gesture shortcuts section. Tap here, and now you can see here that the double press the power button and double press on volume button are activated. To turn it off, now you can see there. So right now we will just turn it off, and as can you see, that function is deactivated, as the same with the volume down button. Right now, as can you see, our camera is not turned on. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.